In this lesson, we will learn how to slice and how to mince garlic. So you have your peeled garlic already. So let's take one clove and I'm going to show you how to slice it. I actually like to use the small paring knife for this because this is a small size ingredient. So position your body and we just go slices as thick or thin that you like them. Okay, now let's go to mincing. So again, we're going to take the small paring knife and we're going to take the garlic clove. I want you to put it parallel to your knife and start doing small incisions like we're going to do a very fine julienne. So we're going to go ahead, don't go all the way to the root, just make sure that you go lengthwise, leaving a little bit of the root to keep the garlic together and just straight down. Okay, then turn it to the side and I want you to go just straight parallel to the cutting board to create small little cubes. Perfect. When we do these incisions, basically we're avoiding wasted time afterwards. Instead of us chopping, we're just going to go straight down and we're going to have the perfect finely minced garlic. So there's no need to go back and forth and waste our time with regular pieces. They're all the same, nice and quick. All right, see you on the next bonus lesson.